Happy Father's Day to all you fathers and figures out there. Today we're taking a look at the Auto Wrench. The Auto Wrench is what I like to call a Father's Day gadget. They usually promise to solve some sort of problem or annoyance, real or otherwise, but often they're too large and clunky to be truly useful. They're usually purchased by a family member who really does mean well, as a gift for an unsuspecting father. After which, they then sit for the next several years in a toolbox somewhere, unused and sometimes even unopened. That's actually where I got mine from. Sure, there are better tools like this Knipex Pliers wrench, and it won't even strip your nuts. I still love tools like this. It's all part of the innovation process. You're bound to get a few entertaining duds along the way, but we were lucky enough that they actually released them. What's the best example of a tool that was cool in theory, but not very practical? Or maybe one that surprised you and turned out way more useful than you thought?